CiviDocs was designed to solve problems faced by municipalities as they strive to serve their citizens efficiently. This video addresses some of those problems and how CiviDocs solves them. Do you have file cabinets of old documents overflowing into stacks of boxes? Is it time-consuming or impossible to find old documents?
CiviDocs stores documents electronically with tools to help you find the documents you need quickly.
Is your clerk or secretary overloaded entering your agenda items, building meeting agendas, and copying associated documents?
CiviDocs allows you to set up other users that are able to enter their own proposed agenda items, fill in the appropriate fields, and attach the needed documents. This lets the person most familiar with the item enter the data and can save the clerk or secretary time.
Are your sensitive documents really kept confidential?
CiviDocs allows documents to be set as confidential per Sunshine Act permissible reasons, limiting access to them to voting members of the board and administrators, denying access to others.
Do some potential agenda items get lost, forgotten, or missed when building meeting agendas?
CiviDocs tracks items that have not yet been added to a meeting agenda and when they need to be addressed. You can also schedule agenda items into the future to keep track of them or set an expiration date to remind you when a renewal is due.
Does your clerk or secretary have to photocopy packets of documents for each board member prior to meetings and recopy if there are changes?
CiviDocs processes documents electronically, eliminating paper document packets and updates when revisions occur. Users can always see the latest agenda and use the hyperlinked documents to see the latest version of them.
Does it take a lot of effort to find past agenda items and documents from prior meetings when you need them?
CiviDocs keeps prior meeting minutes, agendas, and documents with tools to search and find the ones you need quickly.
Do you struggle to get meeting agendas built and approved on time?
CiviDocs allows you to download or print draft meeting agendas so they can be emailed or hand-delivered for approval and can send reminders when they are due.
Do you wrestle with publishing your meeting agendas?
CiviDocs provides a publishing function that sends an email to all board members, including a PDF file of the agenda and hyperlinks that can be copied to a web page or social media.
Is making changes to published agendas exasperating?
CiviDocs allows you to update agendas and republish the revised agenda, although you will receive a warning notice if you are within 24 hours of the start of the meeting.
Do your teams grapple with motions that need to be introduced or worded in a specific way?
CiviDocs lets you preload your introduction, presenter, and motions, helping the meeting progress smoothly.
Do you struggle to keep up with recording what happens in a public meeting to be able to create the meeting minutes?
CiviDocs includes methods for recording motions, who moved and seconded, enter a summary of discussion, typical meeting rules motions, and how members voted for each motion. It also timestamps the items to put them in the actual order and to use with an audio or video recording.
Is generating the minutes a laborious task that takes a lot of time and focus to do well, taking away from other more urgent and important work?
If you enter the information during the meeting, CiviDocs can generate a draft of the meeting minutes and open them in an editor so that you can add the final touches. Then you can save them as a document in the system for approval at the next meeting.
Do you miss the expiration of board members' terms?
CiviDocs allows you to enter board members' term expiration dates and set up reminders to be sent to the team administrator.
Do agreements or contracts expire without your notice until it is too late?
CiviDocs allows you to enter an item's expiration date and set up reminders to be sent to the team administrator.
Are there times that people in your organization do not hear about decisions that have been made at board meetings?
CiviDocs attaches the decision made to the agenda item, where the submitter and other team members can see the vote and discussion. These are just some of the features that CiviDocs employs to address the problems that municipalities face. If you would be interested in how our software package works, please contact us for a demonstration at info@civi.link or visit our website at www.civi.link or sign up for a free trial month at cividocs.web.app.